Hi everyone, I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems Crochet. I'm here today to show you how to do a slip stitch join. Now, I'm working currently on my Blossom Breeze cardigan, and this slip stitch join is used in this cardigan. I've been working through one loop only, so this is the join on the wrong side, and I'll show you what it looks like on the front side. So you can see it makes a really pretty detail to a piece of work. So this is what I want to show you how to do. So we're going to do the slip stitch join working through one loop only, and we start it's very simple, slip stitch join. We're going to insert our hook into this front loop nearest me of the first piece, and then we're going to insert our hook into the back loop of the back piece. Okay, so I've got my pieces right sides facing each other and the wrong sides on the outside. Okay, so I've inserted my hook and I'm just going to yarn over, pull through those two loops and pull through the loop on my hook. So it's just like a regular slip stitch, and it creates that along there. So we just need to make sure, look, if you see the loops, we're just going through that front loop here, and then on the back piece we're going through the outside, the back loop. So it's the outside loops as opposed to the inside loops that we're going through. And that is your slip stitch join. It's a really lovely way to join pieces together if you don't like sewing, and I quite like the effect that it has as well, and the fact that it's still crocheted. Yeah, it's one of my favourite joins. So have a go. If you'd like to make the Blossom Breeze cardigan that I'm making here, then it will be linked in the pattern below, in the comments below, and let me know what you think. Do you use the slip stitch join or do you prefer sewing? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Speak to you again soon.